Hello dear fans. Which planets enter the universe? 2 decades ago, only the planets of the solar system were known to mankind. But thanks to the advent of orbiting telescopes, science has taken a giant step forward, discovering thousands of new planets in the visible part of the universe. Necessary. Telescope. Instructions. Step 1. The search for new planets is for astronomers, and for humanity as a whole, not just a matter of knowing the world. People do not give up hope of finding other civilizations in the universe, and recent research has significantly strengthened the belief that humanity is not alone. Step 2. The solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. When you see the Milky Way in the sky, you need to understand that this is our galaxy. It has the shape of a disk. The solar system is located almost on its outskirts. Step 3. Our star system includes 9 planets, in order of their location from the Sun: Mercury, Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. The first 4 planets are considered internal planets of our star system, the rest are external. Step 4. Planets outside our solar system are called exoplanets by scientists. Thanks to orbiting telescopes, which allow us to explore the starry sky at very high resolution, astronomers have been able to detect more than 700 confirmed planets in our galaxy to date. And taking into account the planets whose existence has yet to be confirmed, their number exceeds 1,000. Step 5. Scientists are trying to study the characteristics of the discovered planets. Most of them are of little use for life, but there are some that in many ways resemble the Earth. The likelihood that some of them have life is high enough. It should be borne in mind that there are more than 50 billion stars in our galaxy. Such a number is even difficult to imagine. Moreover, about 20 billion of them may have planets. Scientists made such a conclusion on the basis of studies of the Kepler orbiting telescope. Planets were found in 44% of the stars he studied. Given the total number of stars in our galaxy, it becomes clear that the planets discovered so far are only a tiny fraction of their actual number. Step 6. Finding planets in other galaxies is very difficult due to their remoteness. However, scientists are already confident that the number of planets in other galaxies is in the billions. This is evidenced by the total number of galaxies in the universe. According to astronomers, there are more than 100 billion of them. And in each of them there are hundreds of millions of stars. Therefore, the total number of planets in the universe seems to be truly enormous. Step 7. Today, scientists are confident enough to talk about the discovery of several planets in other galaxies. It is impossible to see them through a telescope. Such distant planets can be calculated based on the effect of gravitational microlensing produced by them. The presence of a planet causes gravitational distortions of light, which can be detected with the help of sensitive instruments. Step 8. In 2013, the Kepler telescope failed. Nevertheless, on the basis of the data already transmitted to them, scientists continue to discover more and more new planets. Thanks for watching.